just unpack ne onguningi ya eMzansi. UKing Mrs Zulu kaZwelithini guys. Wayethe ngithi uyashada akhumbula ngoFebruary wase divorce uQueen Ntokozo kaMayisela Zulu. Now uQueen Ntokozo is trying to stop the wedding now. Actually, unama rights she's done it already. So basically, he cannot marry lo asisi yakhumbula sasishilo on my other video ukuthi ene sisters uneyingane, which is also unheard of. KwiZulu Kingdom, which is like ayibona nkosami kanjani. Like ukubona leyo nto, it's like akujwayelekile. But we like even naye uKing Mrs Zulu divorcing. Singakazi size siyizweke leyo, but angithi every time there's new things we are learning and we cannot be the same kings. And I even said at the back of my mind ukuthi so uphela brothers wayefunda eMichael House and he's learned stuff and he was overseas at some stage, he's studying there and then he's learned things. It's like I can't be doing stuff that my dad did. Like, so we can't just msoli. I actually feel like ukuthi angimsoli. He can do whatever he wants. He's not the same person as King Cetshwayo or King Shaka. They did that stuff. He's in another level of kingship. Maybe I say kanjalo. So uQueen ke uthi kuthiwa kodwa legally ne ama-legal experts, obviously they would speak. I was listening to them. They were just like, no, kahle hle akakwazi ukushada nomuntu ngoFebruary. So iQueen iye yawumisa lo mshado, ithole i-court order ukuthi umise umshado cause vele it's gonna be null and void. Bangashada, I mean, that's just my thing, but it's gonna be null and void. I mean, it's just a waste of time. So one of these things is gonna drag of the Queen divorce. It's just gonna drag and Lomunyu sisters can marry, because remember the video that I did last year. I put it here as well, that video, but it's not far off from the videos from this video actually that I'm doing now, where they had problems with the Queen. Engasahambi naye, there were issues ukuthi Queen isihlala eMhlanga in some apartment and ubonakala in everything, even around those King Shaka celebrations that normally happen in KZN, Katuguza and all of that. The Queen Mayisela wasn't seen there. Anyway, girlfriend. Then it's just like, what's going on, guys? But I did not see schooling. Sifunda every day. I said even on another video before this one about the king. That's the schooling, and he's changing things and ask us soul. So we Queen yamisa kumshado and back to umshado ngoFebruary, and quickly he was now divorcing the other Queen ukuthi ashade lo sisters lo musha oneyingane. People are just like njani how asikaze sikuzwe lokho, ngoba in most cases also futhi mawushada neking kahle hle nje fanele kube ukuthi uyintombi into akazi uzuthinto. So thina besiqala ke bese kuyibona hayi kabi. And it looks like kuzoshuba kule case ka King Mrs Zulu kaZwelithini Zulu plus uQueen, cause uQueen naye umangele ukuthi kwenzakalani uyibona le nto le. And I had asked and said ukuthi ngicela bandla nkosami kungabi khona ukulwa ukuyibona le nto within one that, ngoba sijwayele phela sina lezi zinto simangele, and we are trying to not to take sides. Like I said, I'm not even trying to take sides. I feel ukuthi iking kufanele be free to do izinto efuna ukuzenza, but at the same time ayibuke kahle futhi into yeQueen on us. It's like wasimanje uyamxhaphaza ngathi amhlukumeza la, what is this now? Ukubona le nto eneyingane khona neyingane la. Sokubona uzothoyibo uthini wa divorce wa wena ubaba ushadele ephosini, hayi mancane kuthini manje uyabona. So iQueen is, and that Queen is actually very smart. I don't know if you've heard her speak on events and all of that. So she was just like, I'm not taking this guy. I got. So you remember again that Bafuti grandson President went to Nelson Mandela, involved in some hijacked car that was actually an Uber, bahlukumeza uGayi-ke futhi wavele wahamba-ke wayobabophisa ngoba vele imoto yayisefunayo nje bese itholakala at Mandela House in Gauteng. So the case has been postponed until the 17th. But people were like, azange simbone uBrothers kwi-dog, ugrandson, uphi, kwenzakalani. And manje sekubalwa ngokuthi 4 people, akabambali yena, bavele bathi 4 people. This case was actually postponed to the 17th of Jan. Uphi ugrandson. Uyayibona manje ukuthi asa-understand. Bathi abambonanga kwi-dog. There's just 4 people who were easy. Uyabona kodwa ukuthi ezinye izinto ufila ukuthi kwenzakalani manje nifihlani ngoba everything is nifihla in because everything is out in the open now. Ugrandson uyisigebengu. So now what is the problem? And uhlazile i-president, and the case has actually attracted international media. So what are you even doing? I mean, I saw it in some television situation yaphesheya. I was just like, and then bekhuluma the grandson of Nelson Mandela. I was just like, wow, bra, nawe ubhizi uhlazana ne-family kuzo zonke inkinga ekhona nje la emhlabeni. This is the person that you are. Bayihlukumezile i-Uber driver abahamba nayo bayenza all sorts of things. So labantu they are charged with theft, qala, kidnapping, bese kuzoba some firearm that they had that is not even licensed. Banenkinga eningi abantu laba guys. Angazi ukuthi bafike kanjani lapho njobe behamba no-brothers. And manje sokuba sengathi bebemdonsa bemhudula. Kanti he was in there with them. He's also a sgebeng of Mgulukudu. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. And this is not the first time. I said it on another video ukuthi wake futhi waboshwa sort of. Ukubona lokho kuboshwa sort of but into yakhona yaphelela emoyeni ukuthi wayezame ukwenza somebody ngento zocathi ukudlwengula type of thing. We understand, but manje into yakhona yaphelela emoyeni. They wanna do this one futhi as well like that bayifake under the carpet and akukho right. Bonke abantu they not above the law. Akekho umuntu above the law. Khona laba abacabanga ukuthi isenzo meya wakhe ukuthi ba above the law and they actually not. So let's not do these things. Bonke abantu ababoshwe for their sins. You understand? Uphi manje lo njobe ngasavile. Yeah, so sime lapho kancane guys namanqampu. There's other ones that are coming amanye amanqampu later on because we had said ukuthi lezi stories they are short. That is why we call them Guningia eMzansi. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate you. Ngithanda over.